Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be showing you how you can download and use the vast functionalities of a Coinbase wallet. A Coinbase wallet helps us to store all our crypto assets and NFTs in one place. Okay, so we'll be walking you through the setup process, how to send and receive tokens, how to track price actions, how to navigate the DApps, and how to earn $20 in rewards, finishing quests, and lots more. Let's get started. So first off, we need to download the Coinbase Wallet app, and to do this we have to tap on the Play Store or the App Store icon, and then we search for Coinbase Wallet. Be sure to download the Coinbase Wallet and not the Coinbase Exchange. Okay, so the Coinbase Exchange simply has a circle shape at the center of the icon, as you can see, while we have the Coinbase Wallet with a square shape at the center of the icon. So you download and then you open up the app. Great. So once the app is opened up, we are asked to either create a new wallet, or if we have an already existing wallet, we can import it. So for now, let's create a new wallet. Alright, and it says we should tap on the first and the 12th word. So the first word I had was stone, and my 12th word was elite. Okay, where is elite? Okay, select, and then we continue. Alright. Okay, so it says I should protect my wallet with an extra layer of security, and I tap on the check box saying I agree to the terms and privacy policy. Next step. So now it says I should claim a free username. Okay, so how this works is, instead of you sharing your wallet address, that is the 42-digit long wallet address, you can just create a username on the Coinbase wallet for free, and then that's what you'll be sending to people to transfer tokens into your Coinbase wallet. So as it says, your username can be anything. For example, superjane.cb.id. So if you want to do this, simply tap on claim my username, impute the username you'd love to use, just like we have domain names like .eth, .bnb, you have .cb.id for the Coinbase wallet. Okay, so create your username, claim it, and then we'll get to the next stage. But for now, I'll try later. Okay, so it's now creating my wallet. Alright, so we'll wait for the wallet to get created. Okay, this is taking a while, so just wait for it. And wallet is coming up. Okay, we're waiting for the wallet to come up now. Alright, so our wallet is up, and this is the interface that we're faced with. Oh, okay, so it says buy ETH or MATIC and get a free NFT. Amazing. You're already having freebies by just downloading the Coinbase wallet. So if you want a free NFT, all you need to do is to buy ETH or MATIC on the Coinbase wallet, and you'll be receiving your free NFTs. Let's see what happens when I tap on fund my wallet. Okay, so add ETH to get your free NFT. To use DApps, you need a little ETH in your wallet. Select how much to buy or transfer. Your NFT will be sent right after. So if you do not want to add ETH, you can always fund with MATIC instead. Below it's beneath. You just tap on it and you fund with MATIC. So let's say I want to get $20. Let's just see what happens. I'm not funding right now. So it says transfer from Coinbase. So what this means is that you can connect the Coinbase exchange to the Coinbase wallet. So if you have a Coinbase account, okay, so it says Coinbase is a separate service that lets you buy crypto. Connect or sign up for an account now. All right, so if you have a Coinbase account, it's just like Binance is an exchange, right, where you can buy crypto assets. Okay, so you can just sign up for Coinbase, or you sign into your Coinbase account, and then you get the crypto, that is ETH or MATIC, to get a free NFT. So for now, let's just go ahead with talking about the functionalities of this amazing wallet. That is, okay, so we're new to Coinbase. How do we get started? We already talked about how we can fund our wallet to get free NFT. Now let's look at other functionalities. Okay, so it says we can. Alright, so let's tap on receive and see what we have. Alright, here we have the address we can send out to receive crypto and NFTs. We have our Ethereum address, we have our Bitcoin address, and other assets. Alright, so if you want someone to send Ethereum to you or Ethereum NFTs, all you need to do is just to tap on copy, send the address to the person, and you're receiving your assets. Also note that we have 4 blockchain logos beneath your Ethereum address. We have ETH, we have Avalanche, we have BSC, and we have Polygon. So what this means is that this same address can serve as a receiving address for these blockchains. Okay, so if anyone wants to send you any token under the BSC mainnet like WikiCat, you you can send the same address to the person. So anyone wants to send you MATIC, you can send this same address to the person. All you need to just copy this address and you'll be receiving your assets across these 4 blockchains, okay? Or you tap on your QR code, send your QR code to the person, and you'll be receiving your assets in your Coinbase wallet. So for the Bitcoin address, if anyone wants to send Bitcoin to you, you can only copy this Bitcoin address. Only this Bitcoin address can receive Bitcoin into your Coinbase wallet. Ensure you don't mix this up, because if you mix this up, it will result to loss of funds. All right. And for other assets like Dogecoin, if anyone wants to send Dogecoin to you, tap on Dogecoin, you copy the Dogecoin address, or you send the QR code to the person and you'll be receiving your Dogecoin. Same with Litecoin, copy the Litecoin address or the QR code, and same with Solana. All right, so each blockchain has its own individual addresses, except for the ETH, Avalanche, BSC, and Polygon, which shares the same address at the top here. So now let's see what other functionalities our Coinbase wallet has. So beneath we have 4 icons, and let's tap on settings to see what we have here. Okay, let's tap on where we have address 1. Okay, if we tap on the spend icon, you can always rename your wallet to something else. So let's use SMC DAO. All right, so we save. Now our wallet has been renamed to SMC DAO. You can also claim a username. Okay, what we said in the beginning about not using the entire 42 long address, you can just change it to a username. Like for instance, you have Samapi, right? So you can just claim a username, impute Samapi, and then you will be able to send samapi.cb.id instead of the entire long address. Okay, so if someone wants to send tokens to you, the person will be using your ENS name, and then you'll be receiving your assets in your Coinbase wallet. So you can do this if you want to. And we also have the theme color. We have DApp connections. If you tap on this, you can always scan the QR code to connect to DApps, private key, hide address, advanced balance refresh. Okay, so let's check explore icon and see what we have here. Here we have quests. Interesting. So here you can see that we have $20 in reward, and if you tap on this, it gives you different quests that you can do and you earn in optimism. Okay, so it says earn $5 in OP, and it says what do you need to do. You need to swap ETH for USDC, DAI, USDT, or WBTC on the Optimism network using Coinbase Wallet swap feature. So if you start this quest, it's going to take you just 2 minutes and you are likely to earn $5. So let's get on with this, guys. This is free money. So you can also earn $5 by doing this tax, and it takes 2 minutes. Another tax here, you can earn $10 and it takes 5 minutes to do this tax. So you can just explore, try the tax out, try the quest out, and see how far you go. Okay, and you're getting your free money. All right, so something else we can do, if you tap on coins. Okay, when we tap on coins, you can create a watch list. Let's tap on create a watch list. Okay, so what this means is you can add tokens, items to your watch list and get alerted about important price movements. Okay, so you can track your price actions here. You can just tap on this star sign and you receive notifications when there is a huge change in price movement. So the Coin Wallet app will push a notification to you telling you that there's a change in price regarding different tokens that you'd like to have information about. Okay, so another functionality that the Coinbase wallet has, when you tap on NFTs, you can mint an NFT every week. All right, and it's free, means free NFTs. Okay, so once you tap on this, it tells you that you can mint NFTs for free. See, and the network fee is $0 in MATIC. So let's see what will happen if we tap on, if we pick a favorite NFT. What do we pick? Let's pick the bear, and then we tap on mint. Okay, and then we tap on confirm. See, we're minting your NFT. It may take a few minutes for the NFT mint to appear in your wallet. Done. Amazing, guys. Literally a lot of things about Coinbase wallet is free, like free money. We already have $20 in quests, and now we have free NFTs, and we also had free NFT in the beginning if you deposit ETH or MATIC into your wallet. This is great, guys. So let's see what other functionalities it has. If you tap on browser, okay, okay, it looks like you need a little ETH. I'll do this later. But if you tap on browser, here is where you can connect to DApps. Okay, so we have 1inch, we have OpenSea to discover and collect NFTs. You can also get your unique ETH name, that is your main name under the ETH blockchain. You can do this here with the ENS. You can also go on Uniswap to swap tokens, and you can also connect to different DApp networks. You can also connect to different decentralized finance applications and do all your investments, guys. So this is a great wallet. Everything is integrated into this wallet, and it's amazing that it has all these functionalities, everything in one. All right, so let's see. It should have PancakeSwap. Like, great, I was looking for PancakeSwap. It has PancakeSwap as well, so you can also do your BSC transactions and buying more Wikicat, more DTG on PancakeSwap with your Coinbase wallet. Okay, so let's tap on transactions. All right, so I have no transactions yet because I haven't added any funds into my wallet. All right, so we tap on assets and this comes up. There's nothing in the wallet yet. So let's try now to import an existing wallet. Let's try to import our Trust wallet into the Coinbase wallet and see what happens. So to do this, you just tap on the icon at the top where we have SMC DAO. Tap on that, you tap on add and manage wallet. Either you go that route or you tap on settings, and you tap on add and manage wallet. Either ways. All right, so I will tap on import a wallet and I will tap on enter recovery phrase. Okay, so I'll enter my 12-word recovery phrase now and be back. All right, so the 12 words phrase has been imported and we now have our wallet imported into the Coinbase wallet. So how do we know this? We have wallets 1 and we have wallet 2. Wallet 1 is SMC DAO, that is the wallet we've been interacting with, and now we have wallet 2 having address 1, that is a new wallet we just imported. And let's see what happens when we tap on it. Okay, so we can see that there are some tokens in it because this is an old wallet I just imported into the Coinbase wallet, and it has few cents of MATIC in it and some Avalanche tokens. All right, so let's tap on transactions and see what we have. Before, when we tapped on transactions, there were no transactions, but now you can see that we have a lot of transactions. So what this Coinbase wallet does is that when you import any wallet, it shows you all the transactions you've had from the beginning of when you created that wallet. Also, let's tap on settings and see what other functionalities our Coinbase wallet has. You can see token allowances. I remember we made a video about token allowances whereby you can revoke access to protocols spending your tokens, right? So Coinbase wallet has this integrated by default. You don't have to go through the revoke access to cash or go through Beefy Finance. You can just go to settings and tap on token allowances and it allows you to revoke access. See, you can see it says to keep your assets safe. It's a good practice to regularly revoke allowances. So I had allowance access for Blocktopia. Now I can revoke it. You just tap on revoke, and then it requires network fee of 1 cent in Polygon, that is MATIC, and then if you confirm and then you put the wallet password, it will be revoked. So for any time you want to revoke access for any token, ensure you have the network fees available for the access for the token to be revoked. Okay, so I do not have any token allowances anymore. Awesome. So let's see what other functionalities we have on the Coinbase wallet. You can also go through the settings, the display. You can change it from dark to light. You can leave it as dark if you prefer. And this, well, literally we've talked about the main things on the Coinbase wallet. You can also change your local currency. You can hide assets, so you can go through all of these in your free time. You can see all the assets in the wallet, right? You can see assets that was available in this old wallet. We had different assets, so you can hide it. If you don't want it to be visible, just tap on this eye icon and everything will be hidden. Okay, so you would not be able to see it again when you go on your home page. just like that. And also, we didn't talk about sending tokens. Okay, so let's try and send tokens. Okay, we go back to the home page, tap and send. Then it brings up your assets in which you have the highest quantity or value in. If you want to select other assets, simply tap on this arrow button here, and then you would see your other assets. So you just select the one that you want to interact with, right? Also, if you want to send NFTs, you just tap on NFTs and you can send out your NFTs as well. So let's go back, and then we impute. Once you've selected the token that you want to send out, impute the value you want to send out, and you'll be seeing the quantity of tokens for that value, right? You confirm all you need to confirm on this page and you tap on next. Okay, so once you tap on next, it then brings you to the interface where you have to impute the receiving address. So you can see here that we have recent addresses that we've interacted with. So you can select any of these addresses if you're sure that it's the address you want to send to, or better still, just copy the address that was sent to you and paste it where we have address, ENS or CB.ID. Okay. Another thing we can do is to send within our Coinbase wallet. Remember, we have two wallets in our Coinbase wallet, right? So once you tap on my addresses, then you can send to your other wallets within the same Coinbase wallet, okay? And once you do this, it then takes you to the page where you have to then pay your network fee. So ensure you have tokens for network fees. Okay, and once you're all done with all that, you confirm and the tokens will be sent out. Okay, so let's see what other thing we can talk about on our Coinbase wallet. We also have the bridge option. You can bridge between different blockchains. Bridging lets you move crypto to another blockchain network such as Ethereum to Polygon. Okay, so you can also try this feature out. Let's see what else we have. We have swap. So this swap, what it helps us to do is to swap from one asset to the other. For instance, if you want to swap from BNB to WikiCat, like easily, you could just tap on the swap icon. So if you want to change network, just tap on where we have Polygon, and if you want to swap within Ethereum network, swap within Ethereum network. If you want to swap and the BNB Binance matching network, you tap on it and you swap on that network as well. So all you need to do is to impute the quantity you want to swap and then you swap. Okay, so you can also try this out when in your free time. So let's see if there's something else we missed in settings. Okay, so we talked about token allowances, active DApp network. Okay, so you can just change the active DApp network. You can move from Ethereum to Arbitrum to Avalanche depending on the DApp blockchain you want to interact with. You can just change that here. And then if you want to show your recovery phrase, probably you didn't write it down at the initial stage when you're setting up, you can check for your recovery phrase here. You can just tap on show recovery phrase and then it will show you your recovery phrase. You write it down and keep it in a safe place. Alright, so manage notifications. Here we can see that the Coinbase Wallet apps pushes out a variety of notifications for us. You can be the first to learn about the newest feature that the wallet has. Also, it has special offers. You can just turn this all on and then you receive notifications on your mobile phone. Also, like what we talked about, price alerts, you can turn on the notifications with this and you receive the alerts for the different price movements for different tokens that are on your watch list. Okay, so this is a notification segment, so you just toggle on and off depending on what you want. If you don't want to receive, you toggle it off. If you want to receive, you toggle it on. All right, so this is basically basic things and basic features that we can do on our Coinbase wallet. Once you set up your wallet, explore the wallet. It's a great wallet, guys. It helps you to keep every single asset you have in one place, and this notification bell here at the top left. All right, so it shows you notifications, right? Like if you have something to do with it, well, that's like now we talked about earning $20 in Quest earlier. Now a notification has come up to say we can earn up to $30 with new Quest. So you just keep checking out notifications to see what new exciting thing is up, and then you just participate in it if you want to. So I guess this is all we can talk about on the Coinbase wallet. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that someone will be available to attend to you. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the post notification bell for more amazing videos, amazing content like this. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in our next video.